In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create a super cool hollow text effect using Canva. Let's go! To start, you just need to upload your image to Canva or choose one image from the Canva library. We will need to duplicate that same image. One of them we are going to set as the background. We can just adjust a bit so it looks nice depending on your design. Okay, now we are going to click on that second image and we're going to remove its background. I'm using the Pro feature here, but you can do this in Canva for free. I'll link a video to that in case you need. Let's remove its background, and now we are going to adjust the second image right above the first one. It's easy if you have them in the same size. Okay, so here I'm just going to adjust based on what I see in front of me, just like that. And now we're going to insert our text. So just go to text, add a heading, and now we can change the font. I'm going to use for this Montserrat. You choose the font you need for your design, and I'm going to make this bold, extra bold, and I'm going to change its color to this one here. Now I'll type my text and increase its size. I want to make this real big so you can see this well. And let's reduce the distance between the text. So just go here in line spacing till you find it's okay. This is good for me. Now, when you have your text edited in the way you want it, you're going to duplicate that text, and we are going to add one effect in that duplicated text. And the effect is called hollow. That's what we're going to do. You see, it's already showing the effect that we wanted. I like to use very thin lines, like 5. I think it's very elegant. Really depends. You have to test with the photo that you have to see what works best. And now what you need to do is we're going to position layers, and here we can see all the layers of this design, and we are going to put this text without the effect behind the image without the background, and we're going to leave that hollow text right in front. It has to be in front of this image, and we're going to arrange this to be in the right position. The same here, I'm going just to center and middle, and that's it. Now you can grab both of them actually, and you can place wherever you think it is nicer for your image. This is a very simple effect that you can do totally for free in Canva that can level up your designs. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out and how it went for you. And don't forget to follow for more Canva tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.